What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things, here for maybe one of the most anticipated vlogs I've ever shot since I started this channel. We're in Las Vegas, here at the Sphere. This thing is massive. The outside of it is amazing. We're not here for a concert. We're here to see Postcards from Earth, which is kind of like this nature, IMAX style movie. But from what I understand, it's amazing. The experience inside is amazing. Let's get inside and see everything they have to offer. Now we're here at the base of the Sphere. All entrances here at the Plaza entry 100 to 400, which I don't think they actually sell the 100s for movies. I think that's only for concerts, but we're gonna go down here and get in the queue. There's actually another queue that's over here, a ton of switchbacks. But I could not be more excited to get in this building right here. Holy smokes. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but from a distance, you would never see all of these LED lights, but when you're up close, they look like these hockey pucks. But there are a ton of them that are synchronized all the way up. Gracious, you can't see them all. Amazing. This is gonna be wild. All right, so we've gone through security. Now we are heading up the escalator into the Sphere. Oh my gosh. So pumped. Look at this. I'm meeting Gort. Hello, Gort. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. So the first part of the Sphere experience is going to be this atrium experience where we're going to get an avatar scan, and they've got some, I think they're called auras, that are kind of like these robots that talk to you and interact. It's supposed to be super weird. Let's get back here and see everything that they have to offer. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do here is get an avatar scan. I don't know what that is, but they're gonna email it to me and I'll upload it here, but that's exactly what's happening here. We got a countdown, bang, avatar scanned. This place is amazing.
What is your name?
Or I'm Chris. If I was gonna
Hello,
eat...
Chris, it is nice to meet you.
If I'm eating one thing in the Sphere, what am I gonna eat today?
The question is, if you are to eat one thing in the Sphere, what are you going to eat today? Chris, let me inform you that I do not have predictive capabilities. I cannot predict what you will choose to eat. However, I can suggest that you try our wonderful Sphere burger if you are so inclined.
All right, we'll go try it right now.
Excellent. I cannot consume food, so you will have to tell me how it is.
We'll
However,
do it.
I have heard great things.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you as well.
So I've walked around and there are 5 different auras, each one doing something different and talking about different parts of life. It's pretty wild how they're very interactive. This is a wild experience. So this particular aura is going to show how the speaker system works in the Sphere. So these people are all standing on spotlights. I don't know if you can see. And all of them are going to hear something completely different based on where the speakers are pointed. And that's exactly what happens inside the Sphere.
As the track plays, you will detect something different. 4 languages playing simultaneously. Spotlight 1. Arabic.
So they're going to hear
Spotlight
Arabic,
2. English.
English,
Spotlight 3. Mandarin Chinese.
Mandarin Chinese,
Spotlight 4. Spanish.
Spanish. By the way,
As the track plays, make your way from
that
one
looks like
spotlight
an
to the
absolute
next.
floating hologram. I know it looks 2D on the camera, but it looks like it's floating in the air. Whoa. So from here, I can hear all the languages at once. But here, let's see if it works this way.
157 metros de ancho y 112 metros de altura. La pantalla digital que rodea el exterior de Sphere consiste en una
光点组成，这些小光点相互配合，在球体外部创造出壮观的耳听体验。
displays you witnessed outside. Sphere itself is large enough to fit the entire Statue of Liberty inside.
إن الكرة نفسها كبيرة بما فيه الكفاية لاستيعاب تمثال الحرية.
Okay, I don't know if that shows up in the video, but that is a trip. That as you move, you hear all 4 different languages, depending upon where you are. That was wild. Can we just appreciate that this might be the most beautiful building I've ever been in? Like, those like X's are escalators that take you up to the different levels for seating into the Sphere, which we're going to go see the movie here in just a little bit. But this is wild. Up the escalator we go. I'm telling you, that thing, it looks 2D, but it is floating in the air. That's a cool hologram. So here's one of the first restaurants that are here called the Tap House, where you can get a beer brought for 14 bucks, nachos for 14, fish and chips for 18, a Cuban sandwich, hot dogs, pretzel rods and queso, candy chips and popcorn, a little bit of everything, with a bunch of beers on tap. Aura told us to get the Sphere burger and fries, which is beef with Gruyere cheese, onion jam, arugula, tomato, and a lemon aioli. We're gonna try it out right now. All right, I totally should have got some napkins, but this thing looks pretty legit. Let's give it a shot. Again, I'm on record that mayonnaise sucks. The lemon aioli is really good on here. It's like nice and zesty. The burger's super juicy. The tomato's good. This ain't a bad burger for 19 bucks. All right, so just a quick look at some of the merch. Looks like we've got a hoodie for 70 bucks. There's a backpack for 150. Good gracious. Hat for $25. The t-shirt is $35, which is not bad at all. Those bags in the middle, $250. Wow. Amazing. I think we're gonna get this one. All right, so what's really cool is we just place our items that we want to buy here. I got a water, and it's gonna tell us that we got a water. So I'd never heard of Path Water before I came out to Las Vegas. Actually last year over at Area 15, but Path will literally brand the water with whatever venue you're at. So this one is Sphere. I'm gonna drink this water with electrolytes added for taste. And then this is going on my cabinet at the office. So this first part, that's kind of like that interactive, like atrium experience, lasts for about an hour. There is a clock that counts down, so we've got about 15 minutes to go find our seats. We're gonna be in the 300 level. Let's go upstairs and take a look. All right, so tonight we are in section 304. And we are gonna walk down here and get our first look together at the largest high definition screen ever created. Oh, it's weird. When you walk in here, these walls are treated, it is like dead silent in here. This is crazy. I can see the screen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You don't even know. This is crazy. Like, it's huge. Like let's get up to our seat and see. This thing is massive. We are in the Sphere. It's massive. Like, words don't describe how big this is.
Look at this. Look into the sky. It's like the whole...
A land molded into a multitude, a magnificent symphony frozen in time. Evolving, adapting, inventing.
And as it multiplied, life changed, taking on many forms.
Every form it could imagine itself to be.
Flocking in swarms and schools, life invented itself, adapted itself.
And rather than burn our only home down around us, we left of our own accord.
So here's how they do the credits. Like, if you can see how like small the people are there, if that tells you how giant this screen is, it's crazy. I do have thoughts about this movie. I'll tell you on the outside. Did I mention that this screen is massive? There's no way to describe it. Absolutely no way to describe it. All right, so back in the room, and here's what I'll say about the Sphere. The screen, unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it before. I don't know that there will ever be anything like it again. Unbelievable. Like, just the price of admission alone, and it was expensive. I had the lowest tiered price, and it was $90 after tax and fee and all the things. I don't regret it, though. The atrium experience beforehand alone, I thought was worth probably $60, and then the movie was worth $30. So all in all, not upset about that. But some of the tickets are $250, and that might be a little much. So if it's something you think you might enjoy, I say go ahead and check it out. Now, that said, it was a little bit weird to watch a movie that's basically about how we are abusing the earth, that's shown inside of the like most technologically innovative, like so much, like had like they had to raise the ground, and they had to like build the materials and all the things for that particular venue, and it's right off of the Las Vegas Strip, which obviously is not very eco-friendly. So that was a little ironic, but if you can get past that, which again, it's still fine, it's a beautiful movie, but I just thought it was a little ironic and funny. But all in all, I love the Sphere. Need to get back there to check out a concert, so I'm hoping to do that sometime this summer. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you.